Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Vercel for deploying AI automation endpoints, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Vercel website at vercel.com. Create a new account if you don't already have one. You can sign up using your email address or connect an existing GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket account. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Vercel dashboard. Click on the New Project button to initiate the project setup. Select the Git repository you want to connect for your AI automation endpoints. Vercel will automatically detect your framework and suggest default settings. Review these settings to ensure they align with your project needs. Next, you will need to configure environment variables if your endpoints require any. To do this, navigate to the Settings tab of your project. Scroll down to the Environment Variables section and click Add. Enter the name and value for each variable, and then click Save. Now, it's time to set up authentication. Navigate to the Integrations section in the sidebar. Search for authentication providers compatible with Vercel, like Auth0 or Firebase. Follow the provider's instructions to set up an application and obtain the necessary API keys. Return to your Vercel project settings and enter these keys into the environment variables you created earlier. Now, let's deploy your AI automation endpoints. In your project directory, make sure your code is properly structured for deployment. Push your code changes to the connected Git repository. Vercel will automatically initiate a deployment process. Once the deployment is complete, you will see your project live on a unique URL provided by Vercel. To test your endpoints, navigate to the URL and include the endpoint path. Monitor the Vercel dashboard for logs and errors during the testing phase. If you encounter any issues, refer to the Vercel documentation for troubleshooting tips. With these steps, you have successfully authenticated and deployed your AI automation endpoints with Vercel. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.